Good day investors, welcome to the 28th of November 2014. The trade for the day is called Anglo America, or the code is AGL. Last traded price was 235 Rand. Action is to trade long, objective to buy low and sell high. The entry level on this trade, regards to the newsletter, will be 232 Rand and 92 cents. That's on the dotted blue line here. Target to be traded to is 244 Rand and 64 cents. Stop loss to be used is 227 Rand and 6 cents. These are still open trades: Shoprite, RMI, Nedbank and Vodacom. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. The blue line is the index movement, and you can still see it's trading just between the 5-day and the 20-day moving average. US markets were closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, and as you can see, there was no changes. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, and as you can see here, on the Bollinger Bands of the red, green and purple line, the blue is the index movement of the top 40 index. Still trading here on 44,910 points, and it's testing this previous highs, and there's a bit of a sideways top here. Need to see if it can break this green and go further down, or just stay in this band here as we speak. Looking at some shares in the market, Shoprite back to this 170 Rand levels, and testing the previous highs. At this stage, still in the positive channel between the green and red Bollinger Bands in the positive side. Looking at Mr. Price, as we expected yesterday, bounce on the support here, and it's currently trading at 237.68 and still trading the sideways pattern as well. Woolies also trading the sideways pattern, started to test this green Bollinger Band in the middle. But before you can actually say this one could go in momentum down, it needs to break the 78.35 on the Fibonacci's. So still trading sideways. Banking sector, Barclays Bank coming back to this 180 Rand levels after it had a high of almost 183 Rand. Still trading the upward channel between the green and the red Bollinger Bands. Standard Bank. Standard Bank did bounce on this lows we've indicated on the middle of the Bollinger Band, and it's still moving upwards but very slowly. It's a very frustrated trade if you're in it, but that is the kind of movement you need to go through on this specific trade. Current low on this trade is approximately 136 Rand, and the current high is about 140 Rand, and it's trading at 138, so it's in between the channel going sideways. Looking at your MTNs and telecommunications, still in a downward channel between the grey, the Bollinger Bands of the purple and the green line. This high of 226 is very important to track. It's currently trading at 225.82. We need to see what the momentum can do for the day. A lot of traders will start doing this. They will look at this high here, and any time if this high has been broken, new movements can happen, but I will rather look at this share on technical sides on the 230 levels. A low level to be looked at is 222.50, 222 Rand 50. Anytime if it breaks, it can go back to the 220 in this downward cycle. Looking at Imperial, still in a positive cycle, came back to this 200 Rand level, currently trading at 201. But still more positive than negative between the green and the red going higher. Looking at the following shares, CFR, and this is a beautiful indication how this share started to go from this downward channel to start to go into a positive channel. Expectation of next highs could be closer to the 103, 104 levels. As you can see, 103 currently trading at 101.46, and still not a lot of value still due on this specific trade. Just want to add another share, Telkom. Telkom broke the positive streak after just a sideways movement, breaking this double top here, and it's actually trading at 68.40. Still trading between the green and the red line. the share is still moving upwards. It didn't break the 62 rand level at all to determine now it's going to actually start breaking downwards. But as you can see, the share's momentum is currently positive, so keep an eye on this trade as well. For the momentum, that's what you need to trade in this market. Enjoy trading.